This week in Utah, they're having the preliminary hearing in the Tyler Robinson case. Tyler Robinson is the young man who is accused of murdering Charlie Kirk. What is a preliminary hearing in Utah? To equate it to something in the state of Texas, it would be like an examining trial or similar to presenting to the grand jury. It is a hearing to determine whether or not there is enough probable cause to continue the case to trial. In Texas, when we present to a grand jury, it's a secret hearing in nature. It's a secret proceeding in nature. So the grand jurors will hear what the evidence is from the prosecution, and then sometimes from the defense perspective, we might submit a packet with the defense argument for the grand jurors to consider. It doesn't take much to get to probable cause. So spoiler alert, there's going to be a trial in this case. The judge is going to find probable cause. And in this hearing, because in Utah it's being held publicly and the media is allowed to be there with their cameras, there's been a lot of argument about what the media can and cannot see in this case. And you have about 4 different lawyers. So you have the prosecutor's attorneys, you have the defense attorneys, you have the attorneys for the victim or the Kirk family, and then you have the media attorneys. So while this hearing was only supposed to last 5 days, and now we're on day 4, a lot of what you have been seeing, if you've been watching it, has been legal arguments, a lot of legal arguments on and off the camera, and most of it regarding what the media can film and what can be consumed by the public. Why is this important from a defense perspective? Because not everything that is being publicized or presented as evidence in this case may be admissible at the ultimate trial. So if you're presenting evidence in this hearing and the media takes that evidence and runs with it and takes it out to the public, and then later at trial it is deemed inadmissible in evidence at trial, well, you might have already tainted the potential jury pool. Whether you think Tyler Robinson is guilty or not guilty, and of course he's presumed innocent until he's proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at trial, it is very important to safeguard his constitutional rights, because after all, they're seeking the death penalty. They're looking to kill this kid. So it's important that they safeguard his constitutional rights and protections.